Welcome back to Bike Future Hub, your ultimate destination for the latest reviews, insights, and updates from the world of two-wheelers. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most stylish, practical, and performance-oriented adventure scooters in the market, the 2025 Honda ADV 160. A machine that combines rugged adventure with everyday commuting ease. The ADV 160 continues to blur the line between city scooter and adventure bike, offering a unique ride experience in its segment. At first glance, the 2025 Honda ADV 160 impresses with its commanding and sporty design. From the front, it carries a muscular and aggressive aesthetic, with a sharp dual LED headlamp setup that not only enhances visibility at night but gives it a bold road presence. The tall adjustable windscreen adds both function and form, deflecting wind efficiently while contributing to the ADV's rugged identity. Honda has upgraded the front fascia with better aerodynamic flow and subtle but purposeful changes in the paneling for improved aesthetics and airflow. Moving to the side, the design continues to impress. The bodywork now appears more sculpted, with dynamic cuts and creases that give it an athletic posture. The underbone frame is well hidden, providing a clean look, and the exposed rear suspension along with the upswept exhaust adds a dose of off-road character. The large step-through design remains practical, making it easier for riders of all sizes to hop on comfortably. With generous ground clearance and a solid stance, this scooter screams adventure. The alloy wheels paired with semi-dual-purpose tires further solidify its off-road ready image while maintaining excellent grip on city roads. From the rear, the ADV 160 showcases a minimalist yet premium look. The LED tail light setup is crisp and modern, integrated neatly into the tail section. The grab rails are strong and ergonomically designed, offering good support for the pillion while doubling as a mounting point for luggage or boxes. The short rear fender and sporty exhaust guard enhance the overall adventure vibe, and Honda has ensured the tail end is compact yet expressive. Under the skin, the 2025 ADV 160 houses a 156.9cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, updated for better fuel efficiency and emissions compliance. This is plus enhanced smart power. Engine delivers smooth and responsive power, putting out approximately 16 horsepower and 14.7 Newton-meters of torque. The power delivery is refined and consistent, perfect for city traffic and occasional highway stretches. Honda has also worked on vibration damping and improved noise reduction for a more comfortable and quiet ride experience. The fuel injection system ensures optimal performance and lower emissions, making it greener and more efficient than ever. When it comes to performance, the ADV 160 doesn't disappoint. The scooter feels nimble in urban environments, easily maneuvering through tight spaces and heavy traffic. The Showa telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks provide a plush yet stable ride across uneven roads and potholes. With disc brakes at both ends, combined with Honda's Combi brake system and optional ABS, braking is sharp and reassuring. The acceleration is punchy for a scooter in this class, and the CVT transmission ensures a smooth and uninterrupted power flow, especially useful during quick overtakes or uphill climbs. Another key feature is the comfort and tech it offers. The wide, well-cushioned seat supports long rides, while the digital instrument cluster is sharp and informative, displaying everything from speed and fuel level to real-time mileage and trip details. The scooter also includes smart features like a keyless ignition system, USB charging port, and ample underseat storage that can easily swallow a full-face helmet. The fuel tank, positioned at the center tunnel, offers better weight distribution and holds around 8 liters, giving the ADV an impressive riding range. Coming to the pricing, Honda has priced the 2025 ADV 160 competitively considering the premium features it offers. Depending on the market and variant, the price ranges between $4,100 to $4,500 or its local currency equivalent. With its bold looks, improved tech, refined engine, and off-road capability, the ADV 160 stands out as a premium urban adventure scooter in its category. It might be priced slightly higher than standard scooters, but the value it delivers in performance, practicality, and design more than justifies the cost. So, is the 2025 Honda ADV 160 worth your attention? Absolutely. It's not just a scooter, it's a statement. Whether you're a daily commuter who enjoys comfort and tech or an enthusiast who occasionally ventures off the beaten path, the ADV 160 fits both worlds with ease. It offers everything you'd want from a city scooter, and more yet, with a dash of adventure, a splash of style, and the solid dependability of Honda's engineering. Thanks for watching this in-depth review on Bike Future Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed two-wheeler reviews and updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you ride the ADV 160 or wait for something else? Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.